Ayan yung Transtar Border Cruise. Departure. Dapat ang pamasahin, unang ano niya is ayan. Ah, yan ang daan. DSI, Changi Airport, then Singapore Expo, Elatara, Woodlands, and Marcy MRT.
Your attention please. A passport belonging to Rain Cavalier Farmington has been reported missing. Will the finder is retained
Ito
the information
yung
from
pamasahe.
a passport
Dapat
belonging
ano,
to Rain
eksakto.
Cavalier Farmington
Oo.
has been reported missing. Will the finder is
Sa
retained the
Singapore, pag
information
galing ka
from
ng Singapore, ayan. Pag galing ka namang Malaysia na, ayan ang